Jeff and Jay here with Jaysbigadventure, and today we're going to change the headlight on a 2016 BMW R1200R. As to start with, we'll take these two screws out. There's one on each side. The two screws out, the top just pulls out, and you can see there are two pins in the back that slide into these slots right here, and it just pulls straight out. Will be these two bolts here, one on each side. With those two bolts removed, you can release this clip and pull this wire off. We just put a washcloth down just to protect the glass side, and now we're going to release these two clips here. The cover off, bulb is right here. These screws are Torx bit T20s, which don't come with the motorcycle, so if you want to do this, you'll have to get a set. Bulb was really in there, so I just put a screwdriver in there and twisted, and now it comes right out. These are great bulbs. They almost mimic the color of HIDs, and these happen to be 100 watt instead of 55 watt, so it makes a huge difference in your output at night. One of the things that's important to remember is that you never ever touch the bulb. And to make sure that there's no oil on there, I'm going to clean it just with a cleaning cloth and make sure that they are completely clean before we install it. It's important to make sure that the light goes back in the same way it came. This tab goes on this side. Then we're just going to reinsert the bulb back into the housing. Get it ready to put the lock screws back in. Replace the cover, making sure these tabs go in all the way. There we are. Good job, Jay. First step is to make sure we reconnect the connector. There we go. Now, slide that into the mounting bracket.